Ayan mga kalapatids, Batang Quiapo going to basketing for the race of 900 km. Yan, napakaganda pambato natin para sa 900 km basketing. Eh,
63. 63? Yep.
Ayan yung
Win 2021. Red jigger head, scalped. I'll let you do it, Roger.
What number?
Three. Number 3.
Sorry? 3.
Grade 3, yeah.
5360, Prince 22. You had a winning bird there.
Yeah.
So ayan mga kalapatids, nakita nyo na naman yung pagmumukha ko. So nandito tayo sa Pack and Save sa labas. The reason why, kasi kumuha ako ng box, di ba, dahil nga papadala natin yung tatlong young bird. And binago nila schedule, ngayon pala yung basketing ng 900 km sa 700 km na race. And then sa Monday yung release. So Saturday ngayon. And then ito na, nakuha ko na yung box. Kaya lang, puro ganito yung style ng box nila, may butas sa harapan. So tatakpan na lang natin. And yun, maglolo tayo ng 900 km mga lodi. 6 na ibon. Pati pataw na to, napapaisip pa, nag-stack pa yung medyo kagigising lang natin. So, yan. Yan, gulong kung gulong, pati pataw na to. Gusto kong masubukan yung mga 6 na ibon natin, kung ano yung kakayanan ko para mag-condition sa ganyang long distance. So, yun. Samahan nyo ako today and mamaya babox ko lang ibon and di pupunta na tayo sa club para i-basket din yung 6 na ibon nating magre-race sa 900 km. Okay? Samahan nyo ako today. Let's go. Ayan mga kalapatids, nalagay ko na sa box yung ipapadala natin sa Christchurch. At si 3184 at 3183 is magkapatid. And yung solo dyan is si 2598, sorry. Ayan, so nilagyan ko ng konting grains and tubig. Hindi ko pinakapuno yung tubig para kung mag-shake man. Ayan, hindi ganun tatapon. So yun, sarado na natin to. Good luck, galingan nyo dun Doon kay gumulong na maganda Alright. Ayan mga kalapatids, nandito ako sa may harap ng loop natin. And may ginagawa akong seremonyas. Ang sarap sa feeling na ako lang yung nakakakita kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Sarap. So maya mayang konti lalagyan na natin yung 6 na ibon sa basket. And may ginagawa lang akong konti, okay? Maya ulit, bye. Ayan mga kalapatids, Batang Quiapo going to basketing for the race of 900 km. Yan, napakaganda pambato natin para sa 900 km basketing. Yan, top condition. Palagay ko magde-daybird to si Batang Quiapo ng 900 km. Ang ganda mga lodi. Hindi ko na masyadong papakita. Ayan lang. Alright, basket na natin to. Napakaganda mga lodi. Lakas. Yan, lakas mga lodi. Sana wag maglaglag ng pang 9 flight. Alright. Batang Quiapo for 900 km daybird for lakas lakas mga lodi. Napakaganda. Tingnan nyo naman yung kondisyon ni paring Batang Quiapo. Alright. Ganda, di ba? Ayan mga kalapatids, ito na yung young bird na ipapadala natin. Mga lodi, gulong ng maganda rin ha. Ayan, tinakpan ko lang yung pangalan ng pagpapadala natin. Baka mag-viral to Ayan si Batang Quiapo Tingnan nyo naman Hindi niya teritoryo yung basket na yan, pero namamara ako ito yung mga hen natin. Si Darling, si Maldita, and yung blue checker white flight doon, and si Junior Stubborn na yan Niniwalay ko si Junior Stubborn kasi bubugbugin ni Batang Quiapo pag pag silang dalawa doon sa loob And ito si Lady Boy Yan, so bali 6 yan, 2, 4, 5, and 6. So, and time check tayo mga lodi, punta na tayo sa club. Saturday, November 25, 9:55. So, tara. Let's go. Yan, excited ako kasi this is gonna be my first time na mag-race ng 900 km. And then Basta ang sarap sa feeling na nakita ko yung ibon ko na 101%, 101%, 110 pa na condition. Ginawa ko lahat and sila na lang bahala sa paglipad. Sana maging maganda yung race result mga lodi. And ayan, i-take lock natin. Yan, ang sarap sa feeling lalo na ngayon, hindi galit si Sexy Tari mga lodi. Yan, suporta tayo kay Sexy Tari ngayon. Nilalamig kasi ako mga lodi, biglang lumamig kahit na maaraw, ayan oh. So tara, punta na tayo sa club. Let's go. Oh, you gonna be survive for the 2 days?
Yeah, well, I don't know. I said to John, it's a bit young. He says, oh no, it should be good. We'll send it.
It's gonna be like
No, well, you just remember, it's only one day. It's tomorrow,
yeah.
and it's got a lot of food. I gave it a lot of food today.
Not unlike Wednesday, like
No.
last year. That's alright. So the same bloodline of this one,
Yes, the same father.
Okay, that's good.
Same father.
I like the yellow one.
But your one's a little bit whiter. He's not as yellow.
Oh, really?
He's a little bit whiter, yeah.
Ganda nito, yellow.
But it's the nest mate. I'm just hoping we've got enough crates here because
Nice. Ganda oh, yellow. Yung nestmate mapupunta sa atin. Kaya lang medyo maputi daw, hindi daw yellow. But that's alright. Magaling sa long distance to mga lodi. Yan, bahala kong ilipad. Tapos pag nag-perform na maganda, i-infuse natin kay stubborn. Kanay mga ibon natin.
No, but I wouldn't imagine that they'd be flying a lot of birds. How many birds you put
I
in?
got only 6 sent
You
to
got six, you see, yeah.
TIMARU.
You're all going to TIMARU.
Yeah.
You see, yeah. So maybe we won't need as many for Christchurch. I don't know. Right. You see, this little baby, eh? I told John, this baby's too small, man.
Right, he's got him on the floor. Oh, that's to go to
We've
Christchurch.
got to go to Christchurch. I fed it up, couldn't prop it this morning, but
You're not racing it, are you?
Yes. Okay.
I said to John, this thing's too young to move. He said, oh no, it'll be okay, it'll be good. I said, "What?"
Okay, you ready, Don?
He says, I've got another one.
Did you put this one in? No.
I said, yeah, but I bet you it's not as young as this one.
Hang on a bit, then, mate. Hang on a bit.
Sorry.
Who's are we doing?
Gerald's. Uno.
TIMARU.
And it's for TIMARU.
Yeah, when you're ready.
Okay, it's a 1418. 1418 hen. NCEH 22. And it's a hen.
H-E?
NCH.
Oh, NCH
North Christchurch.
22.
Yeah.
Colour?
Blue chicken hen.
Yep. Crate number?
51.
51?
51.
Yep.
1302. Harbour 21. Oh, blue checker pied hen. 51 again. One seven three 1732. EGM 22. Blue checker pied hen.
What crate?
51.
51. Yep.
And this is 1800. This is EGM 22. Blue checker pied hen. 51.
That's a cup.
And a cock. 5359. Prince 22. Blue checker cock. This one there.
That's Christchurch.
Root. I'll let you do it, Roger.
What number?
5
Number 3.
Sorry? 3. Yeah.
3.
Crate 3, yeah.
5360. Prince 22. You had a winning bird there.
Yeah.
Blue checker pied. No, blue bar pied, sorry.
Number
Blue bar.
3 again, Don.
Number 3, yeah, blue box.
Okay. So now you can do this.
Yeah. Are we doing yours, isn't it?
Ito yung kalatiyo.
What damages got?
Well, we've got several lots. 191 for the
Dami.
here,
Yeah.
29 for the
So, 2 races nga. Yung Christchurch is 700 km. And then TIMARU
3, 4,
is 900 km. Ito yung mga hen natin, mga lodyo. Ayan.
Crate 18.
Ayan. Oh. Oh.
WAK 21.
Kondisyon na kondisyon. Mabara ko.
1973. Blue bar cock. Crate 24.
Pero ito, to malakas to.
As maginis.
Ayan. Ayan, medyo kalma-kalma na tayo, nailagay na natin yung ibon natin. And good luck na lang, 900 km. Ganda pa naman ang panahon.
WAK 22.
So yung lili pa rin ng ibon is ganitong kalayo, mga lodi, 900 km. So nandito tayo eh.
Blue check cock.
Asan ba yung Auckland? Ayun, ayaw magpakita. Yun, Auckland, yan. Ang lili pa rin ng ibon hanggang dito sa baba. Ayan, nasan yung TIMARU? Ayun yung 700 km. Ito naman yung TIMARU, 900 km. Yan, medyo malayo-layo yan mga lodi oh.
27 is the ring number.
Yun.
Blue bar cock.
Alright.
Blue bar check cock.
Yes, he keeps fighting eh.
Crate 3.
Si Batang QUIAPO natin, nakikipag-away lagi. Mauubos yung energy mo yan. Siga siya dito sa crate eh, oh. Ayan oh, barako ng barako doon sa likod. Ito malakas, ayan oh. Champion na.
Federation na 110.
Ilang kilometer yun sa'yo?
Yun nakaraan.
937. Mga 940 pala sa akin yun.
Sa amin malapit lang.
Ito,
Sa akin talaga 910.
ito yung susunod.
Susunod siya pak niya no.
Ayan na, nag-ano na si Boss Kaislop. Itong malakas oh. Tangina, si Warbuck. Ayan. Ayan mga ibon niya, Warbuck. Ayan oh. Tingnan natin kung anong ililipad. Mukhang pinakain ng pizza saka steak yung ibon ni ni Kaislop.
69.
Ano to birutan ng baka?
69.
Oh, labakara no. Labakara. Labakara ba tawag doon, boy? Ano tawag sa inyo nun? Yung balat ng baka na kulay puti. Yung pangpapaitan. Balbakwa, balbakwa. Hindi, labak.
Kasi tirahin ko yung daybird ko ng ano.
Christchurch 700. Ayun no, Daybird.
Yan na yung next jump.
Abangan yan, ayan na. Ayan na, panalo na. Ito na mga lodi, yung nag-champion last year ng TIMARU 900 km, Warbuck Loop. Yan. Isosoli niya na yan, titingnan natin kung depending champion pala to.
Si Onodov na yung next.
Nako!
Yan, bantayan natin yan. Excited yung
Galing,
race
good luck.
namin sa Monday na.
Yan.
Yan,
All the
abangan,
best ay.
Abangan, all the best. Para sa
Alright.
lahat.
Bale, ito yung first
Ito yung
club
first trophy.
ng
First
club TIMARU.
Oh,
Oh,
TIMARU,
meron din
yan.
palang yun oh.
Oh.
Warbuck Loop oh.
It's Cup Seppo. Look.
That's dito yung club
The
trophy.
first trophy.
And then federation
Oh,
trophy.
Hindi, ito yung club din to.
Club din yan?
Oo, dalawa.
What the hell, really?
Ubex
Ganda.
Club.
Yeah.
Yeah, Warbuck.
He's the one na champion. Yeah. And then may federation ka, di ba?
Federation sa bahay.
Kaya pala naging tatlo yung trophy na,
Tatlo.
dalawang malaki.
Dalawang malaki.
Ito merong iukit din to, wala na.
Wala. Ano to, luma na to. Parang traditional na.
Traditional lang na.
Oo, traditional. Ito yung bago nila.
So ganito yung talagang trophy rito, laging
You won that
ini-engrave.
one last year.
Ano, sana ma-engrave din yung pangalan natin dito, na pare Albert.
Where's he from? Carthage.
Ayan, no? Naglalaway na si Unulop.
Oh, yeah.
2023.
Oh.
Unulop.
Onulop na. 2023.
Hindi, joke lang. Maybe Jason, ay?
Same way, mate.
Alright. Ayun na yung page dyan, oh.
2342. Dark checker hen. 32.
Oh.
32.
I know that.
Work 22.
Did you
2,
take a
3,
photo
4,
dyan?
5. Red sugar hen.
Eh. Bakit?
63.
63?
Yep.
Ayun yung
Work
winner.
1. 2021. Red sugar hen. Scalped. That one, the classic. 68. That was a classic one, I think.
68.
Less dry and hard light. ARPF 17, 617.
Nilagay muna dito para mamaya pag dumating yung malaking truck, matatransfer namin doon kasi hindi pa makakapasok yung truck eh.
You want to hold the water, guys? Is that going to fit?
Yeah. Ito yung ibon ng champion namin, ng champion ng Christchurch. So, TIMARU. Ito ganda oh. Ayan sila. Nagbubugbugan na sila.
Still in there. We've let him out yet.
That's maybe this is gonna be last last thing.
He's quieting down, I think, in that blue bar. Yeah.
Ayun yung mata ni Batang Quiapo.
Too much competition in there now.
Yeah, than before. Only just my bird. But no, it's good. See how many birds now? Ayan, Batang.
There's
18 per crate ay.
5, 10,
14,
5, 10, 13 in there.
28, 28 plus
12 there.
40. 40, maybe, yeah, maybe 100 plus ay.
Yeah, well there's 15 in there.
Yeah.
There's 15 there, 15.
All that. 22.
In between here.
Very thirsty. Yan, uhon-uhoy mga ibon, no?
We can only hope.
Ayan na.
Said you fell back because
Asa na si Batang Quiapo natin? Batang Quiapo. Ayan si Batang Quiapo. Ayan, Batang Quiapo. For 900 kilometer. Basketing done. Blue bar white light. So yan mga kalapatids, nandito na tayo sa bahayan ha. Grabe, napakatagal ng truck dumating. Ayoko lang masira yung araw natin, but yan, good luck na lang dun sa mga nag-race ng 700 km and 900 km federation race, yung boat race na yun mga lodi. Pero meron din yata trophy sa club din namin. TIMARU and champ din sa 700 km. But anyway, good luck and all the best sa mga flyer na nag-race ng 900 and 700 km. And then Monday ang release. So abang-abang na lang. Sabi sa inyo, magre-race tayo eh. Talagang matira matibay. Yan, magre-race tayo. Gulat kayo no, nag-race ako no.